Hello students, today we are going to do Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. Sun Salutation is a practice in yoga as exercise. There are 12 steps in Surya Namaskar. Today we will understand how to do Surya Namaskar step by step. Step 1. Pranamasana, prayer pose. We do pranam to the sun. In Pranamasana, keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both the feet. Students, you can see this picture. In this picture, you can see the feet is balanced. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the side, and as you exhale, bring your palm together in front of the chest in prayer position. Step 2. Hasta Uttasana, raised arm pose. In this asana, breathing in, lift the arm up and back, keeping the biceps close to the ears. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heel to the tips of the fingers. Step 3. Hasta Padasana, hand to foot pose. Breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Step 4. Ek Paad Prasarasana. Breathing in, push your left leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. Step 5. Parvatasana, stick pose. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Look at the picture for proper position. Ashtang Namaskar, step 6. Ashtang Namaskar, salute with 8 parts or points. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly, slide forward, rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your posterior a little bit. Step 7. Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Slide forward and raise the chest up into the Cobra posture. You may keep your elbows bent in this pose. The shoulders away from the ears. Look up. Step 8. Adho Muktasana, Svanasana. Breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone up, chest downwards in an inverted V posture. Step 9. Ashwasanchalasana. Ashwasanchalasana. Breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the two hands, left knees down to the floor, press the hips down and look up. Step 10. Uttanasana. Uttanasana. Breathing out. Bring the left foot forward. Try to keep the palms on the floor. You may bend the knee if necessary. Step 11. Hasta Uttanasana. Raised arm pose. Breathing in, roll the spine up, hands go up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. Step 12. Tadasana. Tadasana. As you exhale, first straighten the body, then bring the arms down, relaxing in this position. Observe the sensation in your body. So students, we have learned the 12 steps of sun salutation. There are many benefits that come with the regular practice of sun salutation, especially in children. It improves blood circulation. It increases fitness. It is very beneficial for the skin and hair. It improves concentration. It enhances memory power, increases energy level, increases physical strength. It gives you better immune system, higher efficiency, and also increases learning capacity. It is more important to you students. Therefore, you should do Surya Namaskar regularly. Thanks.